U.S. President Joe Biden is reportedly facing significant dissent within his party as 25 Democrats prepare to urge the ailing 81-year-old president to step aside following a disappointing debate against Donald Trump. Support for Biden appears to be waning among fellow Democrats, including notable figures such as Jared Golden of Maine, Lloyd Doggett of Texas, and Marie Gluesenkamp Perez of Alaska, all of whom have either advised Biden to withdraw or expressed doubt about his chances against Trump. According to Mail Online, West Virginia moderate Joe Manchin had to be persuaded by Washington insiders not to publicly abandon Biden, while left-wing Wisconsin Senator Tammy Baldwin is declining to campaign with Biden in her swing state on Friday. A House Democratic aide disclosed that no fewer than 25 Democratic members of the House of Representatives are prepared to call for Biden to step aside if he appears unsteady in the coming days. Another House Democratic aide noted that moderate House Democrats in competitive districts, often referred to as frontliners, are facing increased scrutiny and questions in their districts this week. The decision for Biden to continue his 2024 presidential bid, despite his stumbling debate performance against Republican candidate Donald Trump, is largely his to make, according to Democrats and political strategists. U.S. Representative Lloyd Doggett became the first congressional Democrat to publicly call for Biden to withdraw from the presidential race on Tuesday. In an interview with NBC News, Doggett expressed hope that other Democratic lawmakers would follow his lead. "It looks like the dam has broken," remarked the second aide. Former House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, while highlighting Biden's numerous legislative achievements during an interview with MSNBC, acknowledged that it is legitimate to question whether his debate performance was an isolated incident or indicative of broader health concerns. She emphasized that such scrutiny should be applied equally to both candidates. "I think it's a legitimate question to say, is this an episode or is this a condition? And so when people ask that question, it's legitimate of both candidates," Pelosi stated. Addressing supporters at a campaign event in Virginia on Tuesday evening without a teleprompter, Biden attributed his debate performance to a lack of sleep, citing extensive travel as a factor. He also mentioned that his campaign had raised $38 million since the debate. "The fact is that, I wasn't very smart. I decided to travel around the world a couple times, going through around 100 time zones before the debate. Didn't listen to my staff and came back and nearly fell asleep on stage," Biden explained. "That's no excuse, but it is an explanation.